everyone! Welcome back to Teen... Why do I have a hair tie on my wrist? Hi guys! Welcome back to Teen Beauty Bible. It's Casper with you, and today I have another very interesting video. So, thank you guys for all your love and support for our 10th Teen Beauty Bible video previously. And today we have another special video for you beginners, especially out there. So we asked on our community what you guys find hardest about making your own skincare routine. So we bundled up 5 top rules to make sure when you're creating your own skincare routine. Once you get through this video, you're not gonna have a hard time making your own special care routine.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you for coming all the way.
My name is Bella Choi and I'm 16 years old.
I want to ask you, what is your skin type?
My skin is like super sensitive, so I have to be careful what I put on my skin.
Can you tell us about your skincare routine if you have one?
I actually do have one, but it's like nothing. So after I wash my face, I just spread some mist on my face and then squirt some aloe vera and then just splatter all over my face.
Splatter it all over.
Yeah, that's it really.
Or skincare routine. What's the most difficult part you find about skincare?
I don't know what ingredients that will suit my skin best, so that's the trickiest part, I think.
Today we'll learn about 5 rules on how to build a skincare routine, so I hope you enjoy and have fun.
5 rules on how to build a skincare routine. So let's dive into the top 5 rules about creating your own perfect skincare routine. Rule 1. Let's not mess up the orders. So we have talked about the specific orders you should keep within your routine. We have mentioned the steps of skincare routine previously, and a lot of you guys asked, must we follow these orders? The answer is yes. Not only does this make your skincare routine easier, but it also helps your product to work more effectively on the skin. It's simple if you think about it this way. Always start off with the light, watery texture and build up to the more thicker and creamier textures. This makes sense because this will help the products absorb into your skin effectively. So the most basic routine will look something like this. After cleansing, toner, serum, and then cream. So then what if you guys want to add sheet masks, wash off masks, exfoliation, and eye cream? If you want to use a sheet mask, it is good to use it after the essence or serum step, but if your serum or essence is a lot thicker than most serums and essences, then go for it after the sheet mask. Add eye cream after the serum step and before the cream step. As for exfoliators, if it's a scrub type, use it after cleansing and before toner. If it's a chemical exfoliator, use it as the very first step of skincare, and you could even replace your toner or use it right before your toner application. Rule number 2. Separate morning and nighttime routine. Not only does our morning and nighttime schedules look very different, our skin conditions are very different as well. It is best to keep these 2 routines separate. So A, morning routine. So the morning routine focuses on removing the dirt and impurities or the skincare leftover from the night before and starting your face off with a clean new start. Also, it's important to hydrate and keep your skin moisturized. So the steps would be cleansing, but using a gentle cleanser, toner, serum, a cream, and a must sun lotion. When cleansing in the morning, make sure to focus on removing the dirt and impurities that might have built up throughout the night while you were asleep and the skincare that you've applied the night before. Remember to keep it gentle and mild. Next step, toner. Toner is a must for all skincare routines. If your skin feels dry, then make sure to layer the toners. Remember the 7 skin step. Third, serum or essence. Using a hydrating and moisturizing serum will help you keep your skin moisturized throughout the day. Fourth, cream. Use a lightweight textured cream to perfectly create a barrier to lock in the moisture. 5, sun lotion, a must remember skincare step. You guys have to apply sun lotion, it is very important. B, night routine. So, night routine is when you have to get rid of all the impurities and buildup as well as all the makeup and sunblock, the sebum that you have underneath the clogged pores, etc, etc. So the basic steps will include cleansing, a double cleanse, a toner, a serum, optional but a wash-off mask or a sheet mask, and then a cream, a sleeping pack, or a night cream. First, cleansing. Unlike the morning routine, you guys have to do a double cleanse. So maybe, use an oil cleanser and then a gentle foaming cleanser to kind of get rid of all the makeup and sunblock that you have piled up on your face. Second, toner. Toner isn't very different from the morning step. Use toner to moisturize your skin after cleansing and help for the application of future skincare routine steps. Third, serum step. So this you could kind of experiment on. Instead of just using a lightweight serum, go for something that targets your skincare concerns. It could be wrinkles, lightening, hydration, etc, etc. Just make sure to absorb it in perfectly before the next step. Now fourth, mask. Now another special but optional step. So it's really good to try out different type of masks for your skincare concerns when you have more time in the evening. If you're gonna use a sheet mask, use it after the serum step. And if you're gonna use a wash off mask, then put it in before the essence serum step. Last step, cream. So like the step in the morning routine, the cream step is usually to help lock in all the skincare routine that you just applied on your face. Using a sleeping pack or a night cream helps lock in the moisture as well as add nutrition to the skin, so a plus. And remember, there are certain ingredients that makes your skin more sensitive and irritated if you use it in the morning step. So here are some ingredients that we recommend you use at the night instead. Vitamin C and AHA. These ingredients are really good for exfoliation, but we recommend you use it in your night skincare routine because during the day your skin is exposed to UVA and UVB rays, which makes your skin more susceptible to sun damage. Rich moisturizers and facial oils. So all skin types vary and different skin types produce different amount of oils, but most of the time our skin produces more sebum and oils during the day. So reach for a lightweight cream and lightweight serum during the day and go for a more nourishing and hydrating cream during the night. 3. Know your skin type to curate product and usage time. Knowing your skin type is very important in creating your own routine. If you don't know your skin type, check out our video where we help you find out your own skin type. Depending on your skin type, the amount you should use, the amount of time you should use, the amount of times you should use changes. So make sure to check it out. Rule number 4. Some ingredients are just too good to forget. Regardless of your skin type, there are certain ingredients that your skin will just love. So it is very important to keep these in mind when choosing products. A. Antioxidants. Vitamin C and vitamin E. B. Skin replenishing ingredients. Hyaluronic acid, glycerin, amino acids, and ceramides. C. Skin restoring ingredients. Peptides. And here are some ingredients for you guys to remember according to its function. Rule number 5, be aware of the clashes. So if you check out our series of do's and don'ts on Wishtrend TV, you can see the certain do's and don'ts of some ingredients, so make sure to check it out. Now here are some ingredients that are good to use together and that are not. Ingredients that are good to use together, vitamin E and vitamin C. And ingredients that you shouldn't use together, vitamin C and BHA or AHAs.
Okay, so how did you like today's tutorial?
At first it was difficult, but it's just skincare, so the more you take care of it, the better it gets. So I think it's important, and I think I learned from it. So
and among the products that you tried today, which step did you like the most?
I like the foam cleansing because I usually use the ones you have to squirt out, and then they actually don't really make fine bubbles or foam, but this one is it's just foam, and it was very easy, and I think it's very good for my skin because it's smooth, so I like that one the best.
Do you feel like you have a better sense of skincare, and do you feel like you can build your own skincare routine now?
Of course, yeah. I used to only do 2 stuff, but I think I should take care of it more. I never knew there were this much stuff, but I think I should do it like this because it's good for your skin. Thank you for watching. Bye.
So thank you guys for watching another episode of Teen Beauty Bible. Today we talked about the 5 things you should remember when creating your own skincare routine. We are always open to suggestions, so leave them down in the comments below or in the community, and we'll be back with another Teen Beauty Bible video to help all your skincare concerns. Remember, you're beautiful just as you are.